Astro Pro.
In this video I will discuss voltage divider formula. In my other videos, I already discussed series circuits in which we can apply this formula. Now, I will focus on how to solve voltage drops across each of the resistors in a series circuit, without solving the current flowing. Given the circuit guys, the source and a 3 series connected resistors. The formula of the voltage drop across R1 is derived by this formula. VR1 is equal to I sub t times R1. VR1 denotes the voltage drop across R1. I sub t is the total current. R1 is the value of resistor 1. So VR1 is equal to I sub t times R1. Then I sub t is equal to E sub t divided by R sub t. Using that, VR1 is equal to E sub t divided by R sub t times R1. VR1 is equal to E sub t times R1 all over R1 plus R2 plus R3, which is the R total. So it follows. VR2 is equal to E sub t times R2 all over R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then, VR3 is equal to E sub t times R3 all over R1 plus R2 plus R3. For example guys, using the circuit given with the following value. E sub t is equal to 220 volts. R1 is 5 ohms. R2 is 15 ohms. R3 is 20 ohms. Solve for the voltage drop across resistors. The solution. VR1 is equal to E sub t times R1 all over R1 plus R2 plus R3. Substituting the values. VR1 is equal to 220 times 5 all over 40, which will result in 27.5 volts. Then for VR2 is equal to E sub t times R2 all over R1 plus R2 plus R3. Equal to 220 times 15 all over 40, which is equal to 82.5 volts. Lastly, for VR3 is equal to E sub t times R3 all over R1 plus R2 plus R3. Equal to 220 times 20 all over 40, which is equal to 110 volts. Guys, to make sure that your answers are correct, then you just have to add all the voltage drops and it should be equal to the voltage source. E sub t is equal to VR1 plus VR2 plus VR3, which is equal to 27.5 plus 82.5 plus 110. That will result in 220 volts.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.